Alright, my friends, back in the garage, and I will try to fix the rest of the bodywork that's remaining on the floor on this Mitsubishi 3000 GT. What I've been doing lately is, as you know, welding the floor tight and waterproof here over the welded parts. Preferably I like peanut and chocolate, that's my favorites. Take bodywork black, flexible at the same time, and it's also waterproof. So some rust protection into the bolts, tar mass, which is pretty stiff, and also a sound damping effect. Juicy. I would say 8 out of 10. Yeah, I'm sitting here in the wheelhouse. Typical workbench. A lot of stuff here. And here is the right seat in the Mitsubishi. Very nice leather. On the other side, the floor is pretty cold here. It's a cement floor, so yeah. Interesting. This is also very good for sound damping, because every little sound that you get from the road and the tires are spreading the chassis. So if you have small leaks anywhere, it will transport into the cockpit of the car. Something there. Here actually. So here we are on the inside right now. Don't be shy when you do this. Nice and sealed completely. There will be no penetration of the moisture or water or anything through this. Yes, so now we are moving to the front of the car. It's the right front, and I'm gonna put on this tar mass for sound and also rust protection, and it's it's like porridge, putting porridge on the car. Alright, that's it. We are done. Or actually, here is some rust. So I'm sitting down here on the Mitsubishi chair and will summarize the day's work. So what have we been learning here in the garage today? First of all, you need to use a good bodywork mass to put on the welding seals, so it's going to be waterproof and also for soundproofing. And yeah, after that you use this corrosion mass. I used white spirit to blend it up a bit so it's easier to paint it on. So yeah, that's like the next step of the welding, and after that you are pretty done to celebrate, I would say. And for that I drink a Czech beer called Kralev. Lovely, cheers. And in Sweden we also use something else called snus. It's tobacco, which is portioned in small bags. It might stick on your lip. It's like putting tar on your lip. Crazy Swedes, I don't know, what do you say? Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like. I love to be on the road in the Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Listen to some old 80s music, just cruising along the road. Yeah. See you soon. Bye. First thing first. That's hard to say actually. First thing first.